We're going to visit limited.finlitforum.com. After we visit limited.finlitforum.com, we're going to scroll down. We're going to see that there's a reduced enrollment for $44. Our typical enrollment amount is $444. So that is a 90% discount. You're going to get one round of disputes done for you for $44. We're going to first order your 3B report from fullreport.finlitforum.com. You'll scroll down here. You can actually click the link to order your 3B report from the link here. You're going to enter your full name. So you're going to enter your login credentials from your credit monitoring provider. So assuming you used fullreport.finlitforum.com, you would have ordered your 3B report from this link. You'll enter your name, email, things like that. You'll get your 3B report for $1 today with a 15-day trial. We're going to import that 3B report. So you're going to enter your information. And your password might be credit 2026 or something like that. How'd you hear about your services? IG or however you heard about it, friend, word of mouth. You'll express what your credit goals are if you want to share that. You can refer over 1 to 5 people who also can get this service or get a breakdown of their credit. You're going to get a $25 referral fee for every person that becomes a client. You're going to make these acknowledgments here that you understand the process generally for credit repair takes about 2 to 5 persistent disputes or more. You understand that the bureaus have 45 days per round to respond. You understand that the time frame can vary for every person. Approximately is generally about 4 to 10 months or more. You understand that courier cost for sending letter certified mail to all 3 bureaus is $14.95 for every 45 days for a round of disputes. We're going to send it to Georgia, Texas, and Pennsylvania, where the 3 bureaus are. We're going to send it certified mail. So those are the courier costs. You're going to acknowledge that you opted for 1 round of disputes for 90% off of the standard $444 enrollment. So you're paying $44 today. After your first round of disputes commences or completes, you can continue for $100 per month for credit repair, or you cannot pay anything per month. You can use our pay per delete option where you'll only be invoiced after items are successfully removed, and you'll indicate that you understand that. You'll let us know whether you provided your login details for My Free Score Now, Identity IQ, or My Score IQ. Then you'll choose what credit monitoring provider you chose. Some providers are not compatible. Credit Karma, Experian, Annual Credit Report, MyFICO, those are not compatible. We need to import what's called your 3 bureau report. It has API data, which will help us sync automatically to your portal and app for transparency. It will help us see what the bureaus have responded every 45 days and seamlessly escalate your disputes. So we do need one of those compatible providers, My Free Score Now, Identity IQ, My Score IQ, or Smart Credit. Then you will schedule your meeting time. After you do that, you're going to choose how you're going to pay that $44 today. You can do the PayPal pay later option or PayPal pay in 4 option, where they'll let you do 4 interest-free installments. So that'd be 4 $11 installments, or you can use Klarna and Afterpay, which will allow you to do 4 $11 installments or even more installments. Klarna lets you do up to 24 installments. Afterpay lets you do up to 12 installments. So you can use whatever card. You can use Google Pay, Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, Klarna, Afterpay, any payment method you choose. You'll start your enrollment for $44, and we will commence doing 1 round of disputes for you. Then you'll schedule your meeting time. You'll put that information in there. It'll choose a time that is synced real time with our calendar. You're then, after you choose your time, you'll be directed to this site to get your 3B report, where we'll get all 3 reports and scores at the very same time. Once we get all your reports, you're going to have an analysis when we onboard you that looks somewhat like this, We're going to go over all three of your reports and scores at the very same time. We're going to go over everything that is inconsistent and not accurate or verifiable. We'll break that down for you. We're also going to go over all of the 5 factors of credit with you. So we're going to go over how many points each category is worth. We're going to go over the proper habits you need to maintain for each category. Then we're going to discuss all the things that are on your report that are inconsistent or inaccurate. We're going to go over your consumer rights. Whatever you have, whether it's a late payment, a collection, a charge off, an eviction, a repossession, all those things can be legally removed if they're not 100% accurately reporting or verifiable. We'll use the different consumer laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or the Fair Credit Billing Act. We're going to use all of those to examine your report and show you what's not accurate and verifiable and how we will be disputing on your behalf. We're going to show you how that stuff is not accurate or verifiable. And then we are going to use Metro 2 compliance standards as well to remove your inaccurate items. So that's the way that we're going to dispute your negative items and demonstrate to you all the things that are not 100% accurate and verifiable. And this is an example of a Metro 2 dispute that we do on behalf of our clients. So there'll be many things that should indicate to us that your stuff is not reporting accurately or that it's impossible that is reporting accurately. There'll be instances where you'll have an alleged late payment, or you will be on time in July. You'll be 1 month late allegedly in August, and then you'll skip right to 90 days late, which is not possible. You can't go from 1 month late to 3 months late in 1 month period of time. So there'll be instances like that. All clients will get a 4 to 7 day resort stay for 2, whether they're business credit clients or personal credit clients. The destinations will be like Rome, Thailand, Fiji, Paris, Greece, things like that. So that's pretty much how we do the process. And clients that are clients of ours can always upgrade to our business credit offerings, where we will help you get business credit and funding.